be thine, and thy best graces spend at thy will. By now my cousin Hamlet and my son.
A little more than kin, and less than kind.
Good.
That thing cannot be shared.
Well,
you know what? If I'm
Handy
sitting
Mandy?
beside somebody on
Yes.
a stool.
Perfect. Good.
Just so you know.
Well, let's divvy up his goodie bag.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
And look, yeah, make sure you keep your profile.
Sorry, man.
Okay, I'll try.
Right there.
Okay.
That's brilliant.
Canadian.
Nice.
Yeah. Stage possibly with puppet duplicate of him or herself. He, she creates experimental sounds throughout the play. Harold's shadow leaves, and he surreptitiously turns up the volume on his mic. Light on the stack of books.
I intend to mention, in the margin of the narrative I have yet to relate, only the most decisive episodes of my life as I can conceive it apart from its organic plan, and only insofar as it is at the mercy of chance, the merest as well as the greatest, temporarily escaping my control, admitting to me an almost forbidden world of sudden parallels, petrifying coincidences and reflexes peculiar to each individual, of harmonies struck as though on the piano, flashes of light that will make you see, really see, if only they were not so much quicker than all the rest.
Light on one muslin puppet, and skull, clock ticking, perhaps ticked aloud by guitarist, before he speaks.
Cro-Magnon man, Homo sapien sapien, believed to have originated in Africa and dispersed slowly across.
And louder and louder. A drum beat begins to join the stampeding hooves, and they become one sound. Audience at the top of their lungs. I just helped you out there with that part. Okay, light back onto the chalkboard. Muslin puppet, the one that came to the door at the beginning, paints elk, and they begin to move around the stage. See those elk? Check them. After enough elks have been produced, the elks move faster and faster around. The hooves and drum are becoming increasingly fast. Look at that puppet go. An elk with its mouth wide open appears on the back wall and eats him. The muslin puppet is motionless now. The elks now slow down until they are still and in place on all the walls of the stage.
Nice, guys. Ballerina. Oh, that's creepy.